Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of News on Bike. Hope you all are doing great, considering how things have been going crazy for the past year or so. If you're new here, in this series we just kind of talk about viral and important news or events that have been going on for the past week or so. I started this series because I wanted to connect with you guys more and get your guys' takes on different things. And also, don't worry, BCM series are not going anywhere. They just take a little bit longer to shoot because random things gotta happen for me to shoot them and edit them for you guys. So those series are gonna be happening every 2 weeks or so. With that being said, let's get to our first story. Our first story is an unfortunate one about one of my favorite countries, India. They're not doing so good during the pandemic. There's been a new peak in the deaths, in the number of infected people. Just to give you a couple of numbers to give you an idea, just last Saturday, 2,600 people lost their lives and 340,000 new cases was recorded. So that brought the total number of cases to 6.5 million people infected and 190,000 deaths. And the main reason for this peak, of course, have been super spreading events like I think there was an election in March and April. Also, a couple of sport matches like the cricket game between India and England, and a few religious festivals and gatherings that one of them is called Kumbh Mela, if I'm not mistaken, and 12 million people attend that festival or event every year. There also have been talks of a new kind of COVID, but it's just in the theories right now. It's called the B1617 variant, and it's supposed to be more transmissible and thus contributing to an increased community transmission, of course. But it's just in the theories at this point. But like I said, India is one of my favorite countries in the world. I wish people there the best, and I am sure they're gonna get through this, and our thoughts and prayers with them. Alright, next I wanted to talk about the Oscars, which apparently, in terms of viewership, was one of the worst Oscars of all time. Only 9,850,000 people watched the Oscars. I mean, that's a lot of people. I didn't know that many people tune in the Oscars. I thought the number should be around somewhere around like 2 million. But last year, the viewership was around 23 million people, which is 58% decrease in 1 year. A lot of people are saying it's because of the way Hollywood is moving forward and the Academy, but honestly, I don't think it has anything to do with Hollywood and Academy. It's this damn pandemic. Nobody cares about anything anymore. And for the winners, Anthony Hopkins won Best Actor for his performance in The Father. I didn't see the movie, but Anthony Hopkins is awesome. If you guys haven't checked out his Instagram, just go and check it out. He sometimes, from time to time, drops these inspirational videos which can change your life. It's awesome. And also Daniel Kaluuya won Best Supporting Actor for Judas. Now that was a great movie, well deserved. And also Soul won Best Animated Feature. Again, incredible animated movie. If you guys haven't checked that out, definitely do. And as far as the rest of them, I don't really care. Next, I wanted to talk about the Jake Paul versus Ben Askren fight. I think we talked about it 3 videos ago or 2 videos ago. And yeah, Jake Paul knocked out Ben Askren. A lot of people are saying that the fight was rigged. Personally, I don't feel like it was rigged in a sense of the fight. Maybe it was rigged as far as how sort of Thriller wanted the fight to go. You know, everybody wanted Jake Paul to win in Thriller because he's the moneymaker basically. And as far as the fight, wasn't really fair. Let's be honest. Ben Askren is a dude close to his 40s. wrestler, not a boxer, and oh my god, he was out of shape for that fight. And at the Usman fight, which was a couple days ago, I don't know if you guys saw it, the confrontation between Daniel Cormier getting into Jake Paul's face and telling him, "Keep my name out of your mouth" or something. That was pretty cool. And then the crowd started chanting, "Fuck Jake Paul." I don't know how many people were there, but that was surreal that many people care about Jake Paul in the MMA community. I hope Jake Jake Paul starts fighting like a real boxer for his next fights, because I think if he keeps going with this retired UFC guys and out of shape guys, people would start losing interest, and that's something that I don't think he wants, or the Triller or wherever he's gonna fight wants. So I kind of hope and predict that the next fight is gonna be like a more serious boxer, but who knows? We'll see, I guess. Okay, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And take care of yourself, take care of your family, be safe in these crazy times, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.